Hello everyone, welcome back to Thrifty Tribe and thank you for choosing to view our channel. If you find value in our content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Today, we're going to be answering 20 of the top questions asked about the subject of insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a financial arrangement whereby a company, the insurer, agrees to compensate another party, the insured, for losses incurred as a result of a specific event. In exchange for this compensation, the insured agrees to pay a premium to the insurer. What are the different types of insurance? There are many different types of insurance, but some of the most common include life insurance. This type of insurance provides financial protection for your loved ones in the event of your death. Health insurance. This type of insurance helps to pay for your medical expenses, such as doctor visits, hospital stays, and prescription drugs. Homeowners insurance. This type of insurance protects your home and belongings from damage caused by events such as fires, floods, and theft. Auto insurance. This type of insurance helps to pay for the costs of damage to your car or the cars of others if you're involved in an accident. Business insurance. This type of insurance protects your business from financial losses due to events such as fire, theft, or lawsuits. What is a premium? A premium is the amount of money that you pay to an insurer in exchange for coverage under an insurance policy. The premium is typically paid on a monthly or annual basis. The amount of the premium will vary depending on the type of insurance, the amount of coverage you want, and your risk profile. What is the difference between an insurer and an insured? The insurer is the company that provides the insurance coverage. The insured is the person or entity that is covered by the insurance policy. Who is the beneficiary? The beneficiary is the person or entity who receives the benefits of an insurance policy in the event of the insured's death. What is the contestable period in an insurance policy? The contestable period is the time period during which an insurer can contest a claim made under an insurance policy. The contestable period typically ranges from 1 to 3 years, depending on the type of insurance. During the contestable period, the insurer can investigate the claim and deny it if they believe that the insured committed fraud or misrepresentation when they applied for the policy. What is the difference between a revocable beneficiary and an irrevocable beneficiary? A revocable beneficiary is a beneficiary whose designation can be changed by the insured at any time. An irrevocable beneficiary is a beneficiary whose designation cannot be changed by the insured. What is no-claim bonus? A no-claim bonus is a reduction in the premium that you pay for your insurance policy if you have not made a claim in a certain period of time. The amount of the no-claim bonus will vary depending on the type of insurance and the insurer. What is a declaration page in an insurance policy? The declaration page is a document that is attached to an insurance policy and that summarizes the key terms of the policy. The declaration page typically includes information such as the name of the insured, the type of insurance, the amount of coverage, the premium, and the deductible. What is a loss payee? A loss payee is the person or entity who is entitled to receive payment from an insurance company for losses that are covered by the policy. The loss payee is typically named in the declaration page of the insurance policy. Just a reminder, if you like the content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos now. Let's get back to the video. What is a deductible? A deductible is the amount of money that you have to pay out of pocket before your insurance company will pay for a claim. For example, if you have a $500 deductible on your car insurance policy and you get into an accident that causes $1,000 in damage, you will have to pay the first $500 and your insurance company will pay the remaining $500. What is coinsurance? Coinsurance is a type of insurance arrangement where you are responsible for paying a portion of the cost of a claim, and your insurance company pays the remaining portion. The coinsurance percentage is typically set by your insurance company and is based on the amount of coverage you have purchased. For example, if you have a coinsurance percentage of 20 and you file a claim for $1,000, you will be responsible for paying $200 and your insurance company will pay the remaining $800. What is term life insurance? Term life insurance is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for a specific period of time, such as 10 or 20 years. At the end of the term, the policy expires and you will no longer have coverage unless you renew the policy. Term life insurance is typically the most affordable type of life insurance, but it does not build any cash value. What is permanent life insurance? Permanent life insurance is a type of life insurance that provides coverage for your entire life. Unlike term life insurance, builds cash value over time. This cash value can be used to pay for premiums, cover living expenses, or provide a death benefit to your beneficiaries. What is whole life insurance? Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that provides a guaranteed death benefit and cash value. The cash value of a whole life insurance policy grows at a fixed rate, which is typically lower than the rate of return on other investments. What is universal life insurance? Universal life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that gives you more flexibility than whole life insurance. You can choose how much you want to pay in premiums and how much you want to allocate to the cash value portion of your policy. The cash value of a universal life insurance policy grows at a variable rate, which means that it can fluctuate depending on the performance of the underlying investments. What is variable life insurance? Variable life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that gives you the most flexibility. You can choose how much you want to pay in premiums and how much you want to allocate to the cash value portion of your policy. The cash value of a variable life insurance policy grows at a variable rate, which means that it can fluctuate depending on the performance of the underlying investments. What is indexed universal life insurance? Indexed universal life insurance is a type of variable life insurance that tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500. The cash value of an indexed universal life insurance policy grows at a rate that is linked to the performance of the index minus a margin. This means that your cash value will never go down, but it also means that you may not earn as much as you would with a variable life insurance policy. What is guaranteed universal life insurance? Guaranteed universal life insurance is a type of universal life insurance that guarantees a minimum death benefit and cash value. The cash value of a guaranteed universal life insurance policy grows at a fixed rate, which means that it will never go down. However, the death benefit may be lower than the amount of premiums that you have paid into the policy. What is term life insurance with return of premium? Term life insurance with return of premium, RULF, is a type of term life insurance that returns all or a portion of your premiums to you if you do not die during the term of the policy. The amount of premium that you receive back will depend on the terms of your policy. RULF policies are typically more expensive than traditional term life insurance policies, but they can be a good option for people who want to have the peace of mind of knowing that they will get some of their money back if they do not die during the term of the policy. That concludes today's video. If you found value in the information provided, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, we will be happy to read them. Just leave them in the comments section. Going forward, we will be posting 2 videos a week on Wednesday and Saturday. Thank you for watching.